Using images on the TI-84PlusCE is a great way of bringing the mathematics to life. And what I'm going to do in this video is to show you that there are some already pre-installed on the calculator and how easy it is to put your own onto your own calculator or onto your teacher software. So on the left here, I have the teacher software. It's the same on the handheld. So to find the images, we go to Format, which is in blue above Zoom, and there it is, it's background. And if we go to it, then we can see that there are the starfish, the waterspout, a flower, a playground, and a bridge already created onto the images. So if you find the one that you would like to use, you then simply press enter. That's now going to be on there. When I go to graph, it is now on the graph. What I like to do is sometimes change the color of the axes because I want them to stand out. So we can go to the axes color. So we can change the color of that axis. And it's not a touch screen. So there we go, that's done. So we go back to the graph, we can see the axes. But we could adjust this. So if I wanted to move it to the start of the spout, then obviously it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left. Okay, so we need to add 5 to the x and y values. And we could say it needs to go 1 up. So we need to take 1 away from the y values. So if we go to window, we're going to go that number +6, enter. This number +6, enter. And that's okay for the scale. Then take the -1 from there. And so this may be useful for you to actually adjust it. It depends how you want to have the axes. And there we go. I've gone too far across, so I did miscounted that. But we can get the idea of how we can adjust the axes. So I'm going to go back to Zoom standard for now. Okay, so those are images that are already pre-installed, but how do you put your own on there? Well, I'm going to show you, like I said, for both the Smart View and for your own calculator. So on the right here, I'm using a free piece of software called TI Connect. There's the logo down there, and it's available on the TI Australia website. If you go to Texas Instruments, go to Products and Computer Software, and then over here we've got TI Connect CE. It's a free download, either on Windows or Mac, and like I said, the logo will then look like this. When you open that up and you connect your calculator, so let me just disconnect this calculator, we can see that disappears. I'm just going to reconnect the calculator. Then we can see what's on this calculator at the moment. So if we go to Calculator Explorer, exactly the same on the Smart View. Let me show you that same icon on here. We can see that those 5 pre-installed images on the Smart View is exactly the same as the 5 pre-installed images on the calculator. So then what I've done is I've just saved an image straight from the internet, different images, and just do right click and save image. This is an image here, and we simply drag and dump it across onto the device that we want to put it onto. We want to send it here. Now image 1 will wipe out an image that's already on there, so normally I change that to one of the blank ones that's not already being used. So I say image 6 to, I think it goes 9 or 10. So I'll send that now. And that's now on the calculator. Just to show you, what I'm going to do is go to Format. I'm going to go down to image 6 and show it. And I'll just do a screenshot of that so you can see it. This is now on the calculator. And there's that image straight on the calculator. And that was this image that I actually saved in the first place. So then to also put it onto the Smart View, we do exactly the same. Just drag that image across onto the Smart View, go to image, a different image again, and send it. And then when I come back, just letting it work with it. Sorry, shouldn't have been too eager. We now go back to the calculator. We go to Format again, come down to Background, and we can see that there is the image 6. And if we go to graph, it's now on the calculator. So it's that easy. Just save any image you want and drag and drop it either onto the calculator using TI Connect or onto the Smart View, both times using the Calculator Explorer button. I hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching.